Device here is the first takeoff in India. Look at this. I will tell the cameraman. It's about focusing. If we talk about it equally, ND is 8. It contains ND32. ND 120. Hello guys. Welcome to Gadget 108. As you can see here, we have the DJI Mini 5. Cars Fly More combo is going to be complete. And let's talk about its specifications. Then it is going to be better than 52 minutes, and more than that I am going to tell you inside the video. So first of all, we do this unbox, and yes, today's date is 12th of September. Sorry, 12th of September. Today's date is from 2025 launch date. It has come to us 5-6 days ago, and we are going to tell its specification. How is it going to be to tell you the end? Then first of all, we unbox it. Then the cutter is not going to work because DJ has just made something new. This is the feeling here, guys. I do sell drones though, but this feeling is very amazing because the wrapper has come out here, and we will start this. Oh my god, it is very tempting. This is going to be very next level. Let's remove it from the crack. I don't know if you guys are more excited than me, then you do this with a bang. Let me show you guys unwrap. Okay, so here we have his bag. We will keep it. Here is a bag of this kind that is very compact. According to the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro used to be small, but it is made a little cool and easy to carry. So here's a quick look. Of the drone. First, we're going to meet up. A box is about to be found which has been missing for a long time after minutes. So now this box has been found. What is inside the box? It looks like the treasure we will unbox from us. So maybe I can unbox it from the second side. So first of all, we get propellers here, which is one thing to see is that the propellers which DJI has installed in it, this time they have screws without installing them. So earlier people had to take screws and move around. Now direct, let's get plug in. First of all, we get screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6 numbers after that, we get a cable of charging of the same DJI which supports CTC between 20 and 100 watts. So we get the cable. After that, anti-filter G. Yes, every customer of guys when he comes to my store is a drone to make a purchase. So they ask the same thing. That is why wear is not coming in this anti-filter and bag. So here we have also got the anti-filter. It is going to be a very good anti-filter. So we also see this. When they are visible, then here I think there should be a TND filter inside it. Okay, yes, great. There are 3 ND filters. If we talk about it, then ND8. Inside it is ND32. ND1208 is going to be found. And yes, guys, you will not underestimate it. If DJI is the official ND filter, then compared to other brands, its video quality is very good. So we will keep this also on the side. Apart from that, DJI gives some books and gives some tickets which we can put in our things. Apart from this, it becomes empty because we do not need any more cables, because if you are going to get a smart RC, then we keep the box. Now take out the drone first in the side, or take it out first. Remote. So first let me show the remote. So we are going to get here the RC to remote of DJI, which is already providing by DJI. And once I unbox it, I want to show you people how it looks like. Here is the first look, same as this is the RC we get in DJ Flip R3S and DJ Ica Mini 4 Pro, DJI RC2, the same RC we will get. But there is one thing more special in this, which I will tell you. What has changed in this remote? So I will keep telling this in the middle of the specification. Why am I doing this? So that people do not watch the continuum, because I will give all the information absolutely genuine. Whatever is in it, and here is our unit, then we put it first, show end and other things on the side. Then here we have come to meet the batteries whose flight time is 52 minutes, guys. Yes, single battery is 52 minutes. It has a very large battery. Yeah, in the first look of the battery is made same to same according to me. The color has been slightly changed. She had a grease type color which was a little shaded in white type. This entire gresh, which has been shaded in black type, is going to get two batteries, and DJI's charger is going to be a two-way hub which is charged from type C. And okay, one thing we have seen here is that there is a type C port here. The USB port has been removed, which used to work wireless. So I think it is not wireless, sorry, which used to work USB A to C, which could also work. So I think that type C to C has both done. We are also on the side. We will keep this beloved drone of everyone, which has been going on for a long time. It has been so much missed among people for 1 year, that what is a drone, what is a drone, what is a drone, and this is that drone. Okay guys, we get very cute here, and I can feel this very compact drones under 249 grams, so no license required and open. So I think they would have given the same series. Yes, again the same is given by doing this. The strap comes, which is opened in a very easy way, and this comes to its head bar. Oh my god guys, look at this, look at this. I will tell the cameraman the focus is getting off course. I will tell the cameraman 1 inch sensor. Guys, you know what this 1 inch sensor is? Those photographers will know what this 1 inch sensor is. Sensor, it will provide you with very good quality, and it can suit you in the resolution up to 48 megapixels. And the first drone, that was Mini 4 Pro, used to shoot at 120 FPS of 4. It could go to 100 FPS of 4. It can go up to 120 FPS. Will you see the size from 1 inch of 4? How big it is? I have given side by side. If I tell the cameraman, I will show it once. I have also kept the 4th Pro on the side. You will see this. So its camera size has made it very cool. It has made it very classy, and after that we will open it. Wow, what a feel. So it has started as soon as I turn it on here. As it is made in the Mavic 4 series, it works accordingly. So yes, we will also remove the protector first. We have removed the protector. If there is another protector, this is going to be our gimbal. Guys, this is the gimbal, and this is going to be the first look of our drone. So we will keep it here and we will turn it on immediately. There are very cute type of populists. Its likes are easy to, but they can come out of here. They can look very easy. They have no problem with screws here, man. This is the first look, guys. It looks much cuter. How cute it looks means if you are investing Rs 130,000 in this, then this is worth it, guys. This is worth it. Under 249 grams, you are going to get a drone which is going to be very good. Talk. So why are these two different? Why should you upgrade to it? The first thing that you are going to live inside 249 grams is that you can shoot inside it. Guys can shoot HDR videos at 120 FPS inside it. Follow mode will be available. Active track is what they say. You are going to get it. You are going to get D-lock. Getting a 10-bit lock means you are going to get a lot more specs. What has changed now? The first change is that if you look carefully here, there was not one thing missing here. There were directional sensors. A light sensor has also been added here. Now, what is this lighter sensor? Many people will not know what this lighter sensor. The lighter sensor works in such a way that the omnidirectional sensor can see only during the day, and the lighter sensor can also see at night. So here we have that too. Both side lidar sensors are found, which reduces the chances of your drone crashing even at night. Mini 4 Pro. Most of the crashes that occurred were at right night time. Due to the sensor, we get the sensor in it, and we get the same sensor at the back, and let's talk at the bottom. Then again at the bottom, we get the same sensor for two landings. And one more light is found for two sensors. Gisco oxygen LED speaks, and we will pull the beans from here to remove the battery. Then the battery is going to come out, so the drone is going to remain complete in this way. As soon as you turn it on, see how it is turning on in a cute way, guys. I mean, I can't wait to fly this best machine, this amazing. So we quickly set it up and then we tell you how it will fly. And there's a video that I'm going to share, DJI Mini 4 Pro versus Mini 5 Pro. Why you should buy Mini 5 Pro, why should you buy this thing? I am going to tell you in detail and I am going to tell you in depth, and those who are still confused about how to fly a drone, so go to the page of Guys Gadget 1208. There is a video lying there already, Mini. And with the Pro, and very soon will also come with our 5 Pro, inside which I have told how to fly the drone and how the drone will do your work. So let's set it up right now and come back to the topic. If we drop now, then we have done its sky activation, and I will call it a small flying, and it has just become night while men are doing boxing. It is now time. It is around 10.5511 Huntik. So I will tell a little bit about the flying of the video. I will make a detailed video. DJI Mini 5 Pro versus 4 Pro. So now let me tell you the specifications. If you buy the specifications, then this drone was, sorry, this is our ad drone. This was the drone for Pro. It used to record up to 100 FPS of the 4 shot in slow motion video. It shoots us up to 60 FPS for 4. It can shoot up to 120 FPS and shoot up to 100 FPS in video. The vertical given in this guy was given. The vertical given in the standard end is up to 330 degrees, which works very well. And the third thing is that there were sensors inside it. Inside it, you also get a LiDAR sensor. And after that talk, the quality that was given inside it was given, oh, right away. What has been given inside it? Oh, 4 Plus has been given, which has been greatly enhanced. And now we will fly it in the direct day and see how much difference is going to come in the quality. No doubt the difference is going to come because both are going to be very much beast. And one that I told the specifications. At the beginning of the video, most of the drones you see flying, the RC2 that we used to see with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, used to give fly time only 20-45 minutes, and the range that used to give, the Mini 5 Pro used to give 20 kilometers. The one that provides us 52 minutes and the range that provides is not 2012 223 25 kilometers for 25 kilometers with 4. The 20 fs 52 minutes. So yes guys, Ruckus cheese is a really cool thing. What do you have to straighten out to do? Here is the link that is coming in the description of Gadget 120 at. You have to go there, you have to contact us. Alternatively, you can check out directly from the website. You can purchase from all over India. COHD is also available with us, and you can also purchase it in EMI, whose down payment is only going to be on 40,000. The down payment of DJI Mini 5 Pro is going to be only on RS40,000, and you can make it your own. By paying RS40,000 down and paying easy EMI, then that's it guys. Thank you so much. Keep watching and... Wait. Go see the flying. 1 minute detail video will come next. Are you going to do it now? It has not yet been launched in India. Before that, we are taking it off on the 12th of September. We will now turn it off. Keep it down. The way of taking off is going to be same as it is going to be this, from where we will ask questions and hold. So why here is this the first takeoff in India? Which is launching on the 18th or 16th in DG India, and we are taking its takeoff on the 12th. Then it is going to be a very good way, and talking about quality, it is going to be very tremendous, very short drone, very good drone in a very good way, and it is not making noise at all, as is going to be the specialty of mini series, that they do not make noise. So it is going to work in the same way. Then you people have to purchase it, then you people know where to come. Come to Gadget 1208, and if the purchase is to visit our website using your credit card and debit card, subscribe to gadget1208.in and our channel, because tomorrow it's comparison video. Our tutorial video is coming soon. How is this going to live? It's going to be a very good guy. Thank you so much. Keep watching and subscribing. Thank you so much guys.